If you've tried every face cream, every expensive serum, and every acne treatment, yet your skin is still breaking out, there's a good chance that the problem isn't with your face, it's actually in your gut. Hi, I'm Leilani. I'm a qualified clinical nutritionist and chef, and I'm here to explain why your skin is a direct reflection of your gut health and how you can achieve clearer skin by healing from the inside out. Your skin and your gut are connected through what scientists call the gut-skin axis. So when your gut is inflamed, that inflammation doesn't stay confined to your digestive system. It travels through your bloodstream and appears on skin as acne, eczema, rosacea, dull, congested skin. Here's how it works. Your gut has a protective lining that acts as a barrier. When that barrier is damaged due to poor diet, stress, antibiotics, and other factors, toxins and partially digested food particles leak into your blood system. This is known as intestinal hyperpermeability, also known as leaky gut. Your immune system sees these particles as foreign invaders and attacks them, creating inflammation throughout your body. Your skin, being the largest organ and the main detoxification pathway, tries to eliminate these toxins. And that's when you experience the breakouts, the rashes, and all the other skin flares up. Your gut microbiome also directly affects your skin because the bacteria in your gut produce nutrients and compounds that either support healthy skin or trigger inflammation. When you have more bad bacteria than good bacteria, they produce inflammatory compounds that reach your skin and cause issues. Now, I've worked with many clients who've spent thousands of dollars on dermatology treatments with minimal results. And once we heal their gut, within weeks sometimes their skin can clear up. Not because we treated their skin, but because we fixed the root cause. Reducing that gut inflammation and improving nutrient absorption helps the skin be its best version. So how do you know if your skin issues are coming from your gut? Here's the signs. First, your skin worsens after eating certain foods. So if you break out or get inflamed skin 24 to 48 hours after eating dairy or sugar or specific foods, that's a direct gut-skin connection. Your gut is reacting and it's creating inflammation and it's showing up on your face. Second, you have both skin issues and digestive issues. Acne plus bloating or eczema plus constipation, rosacea plus IBS, they're not coincidences. They're symptoms of the same underlying problem. Third, your skin problems begin or worsen after taking antibiotics because antibiotics wipe out both the good and the bad bacteria in your gut. And when the beneficial bacteria are depleted, harmful bacteria take over. It's called gut dysbiosis, and so your skin erupts. Fourth, topical treatments don't work long term. You might see a temporary improvement from creams or medications, but the problems just keep persisting. And it's because you're treating the symptom on your skin instead of the cause in your gut. Fifth, you have hormonal acne that won't respond to normal treatments. Your gut is responsible for metabolizing and eliminating excess hormones. When it's not functioning properly, hormones accumulate, they get reabsorbed, and they trigger hormonal breakouts. So if you have 3 or more of these signs, your skin problems are likely connected to your gut health. Let me know below, do any of these signs resonate with you? I dealt with acne for a very, very long time, and I honestly tried everything. I even had garlic burn my face. And then I started focusing on my gut health. Let's talk about what you're eating that's sabotaging your skin. First, sadly, dairy. For many, dairy triggers inflammation in the gut, which appears as acne on the skin. Dairy also contains hormones that can disrupt your own hormonal balance and trigger breakouts. If you have acne and you're consuming dairy daily, it's likely a major factor. Second, high glycemic refined foods and sugar. Because these spike your blood sugar, they increase insulin, they trigger gut inflammation, and they stimulate oil production in your skin. Now, every time you eat sugar, You're essentially feeding acne from the inside out. Third, processed foods with seed oils, canola, soybean, vegetable oil, it's everywhere. They're highly inflammatory to your gut, and that inflammation manifests as skin problems, and they also disrupt your skin's natural balance. Fourth, gluten. If you're sensitive, which most people are, even without celiac disease, gluten can damage your gut lining. And that damage leads to inflammation throughout the body, as well as poor nutrient absorption, which shows up as skin problems. Fifth, alcohol does damage your gut lining. It kills the beneficial bacteria, it disrupts your liver's detoxification, and it dehydrates your skin. It's kind of like the perfect storm for skin issues. So if you drink regularly and have skin problems, they are probably connected. Here's the good news. The elimination phase is temporary. Once your gut heals, you can reintroduce the best quality versions of these foods and see what amount you actually tolerate while building up your microbe army. And most people actually find that they can handle small amounts of previously problematic foods once their gut health is healthy again, provided they don't have allergies and you choose quality options. Now, if you're dealing with multiple symptoms like acne plus digestive issues, eczema plus fatigue, or any combination, I recommend a more comprehensive approach than just eliminating dairy and sugar. And that's why I created a master gut reset and repair protocol. It includes the targeted elimination plans based on specific symptoms, complete meal plans, symptom trackers, and the exact reintroduction process. So I'll put the links below if you want the full roadmap. But whether you use my protocol or do this on your own, here are the key nutrients and foods that directly support both gut healing and healthy skin. So before I dive into these recommendations, you gotta know if you are considering supplements in your diet or a major diet change, you have to consult your healthcare provider to make sure that they're right for you. What I'm sharing here are food-based approaches, but it's always wise to work with a professional if you can. First, zinc-rich foods. Oysters are the top source, you just need one a day. Also pumpkin seeds or grass-fed beef, and zinc is crucial for skin healing and gut lining integrity. Many people with acne are deficient in zinc because the damaged gut can't absorb it properly. Second, omega-3 fatty acids. You find them in wild fish like trout, sardines, walnuts, flaxseed. These are powerful anti-inflammatory foods, and they reduce gut inflammation and directly improve skin health. Your skin cell membranes need omega-3 to function properly. Third, vitamin A. Sweet potatoes, carrots, liver, pate, egg yolks, they've got them. And why? Because vitamin A supports gut lining health and skin cell turnover. So it helps your skin shed those dead cells instead of clogging your pores. It also supports the gut mucus layer, which protects the lining. Fourth, collagen or bone broth. These provide amino acids that heal your gut lining and support skin structure. Because when your gut lining heals, inflammation decreases your skin and your skin starts to clear. So just drink a cup of bone broth or add collagen to smoothies to help get it into your diet. Fifth, fiber from vegetables or legumes. Your gut bacteria need fiber to thrive. When you feed your good bacteria with fiber from cooked veggies, they produce the short chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your skin. Now focus on well-cooked vegetables if you're sensitive to fiber, and just start low and gradually increase as your gut heals. The key here is consistency. Your skin cells turn over every 28 days. So you need at least a month of gut healing to see significant skin improvements. So let me know, which of these foods do you already eat regularly? I love to hear your comments. Here's what to do to clear your skin by healing your gut. For the next 30 days, and I mean truly commit to 30 days, eliminate the dairy, the sugar, the processed foods, alcohol, and any foods that you react to. Do a 7-day food and symptom diary. It can be super useful. because food intolerance tests are really unreliable, so tracking your own reactions is the best approach. And I know it sounds challenging, but if you've been dealing with skin problems for years, 30 days is manageable. And at the same time, add in the gut healing foods I mentioned if you can tolerate them. Now, everybody is different. You may notice effects in the first week, or maybe it'll take week 4 until you see the symptoms reduce. The body wants to heal when you give it a break and the resources it needs. So it's about finding what works best for you. Also, support your skin externally with simple, non-irritating products. But understand that topical treatments are secondary. Fixing your gut is primary. And I have seen people with severe acne achieve complete clear skin just from gut healing without changing their skincare routine at all. Be patient with the process. Gut healing takes time, and so does skin healing. But it is worth it to have clear skin that truly lasts instead of constantly battling the breakouts. So if you've been struggling with skin problems and nothing external has worked, it is time to look at your gut. And if this video was helpful, there are tons more gut health videos on my channel to support your health journey. I'm Leilani. Love your guts.